our village, of our city, of our country, of our state, any other thing, right? For example, you can see in a question number one, look at the given map of a city and answer the following question. Color the map as follows: blue for water, red for fire station, orange for library, yellow for school, green for park, pink for college, purple for hospital, brown for cemetery. Right? Now you can see in a question, one map is given here for a city. We have to draw, we have to fill some color. Okay? As per the guidance. For example, you can see there are water. For example, water plant. Okay? So in which you have to fill blue color. Then after you can see the reds for fire station. So fire station is right hand side to the police station. You can see between bus stop and police station. We have to fill red color over there, right? Then orange color for library. Where is library? Please tell me where is library? Below hospital, right? In which you have to fill orange color. Then yellow color for the school. For example, primary school, senior secondary school. Okay, in which you have to fill yellow color. Then green color in a park. Where is park? Boys, where is park? Between primary school
Between lake
and
and primary school.
lake. Very good. We have to fill green color over there. Right? For pink color for the college. So you can see city college at the last left hand side bottom. Okay? In which you have to fill pink color. Then purple color for hospital. So you can see below cemetery and above library, hospital are there. We have to fill purple color. Then brown color for cemetery. So you can see left hand side top cemetery are there. You have to fill brown color. Okay. Now you can see
Yes.
the second question. Mark a green X at the intersection of Road C and Nehru Road. Green Y at the intersection of Gandhi Road and Road A. Now you can see we have to mark a green X, okay, at the intersection of Road C and Nehru Road. Okay, first of all, tell me where is Nehru Road? Where is Nehru Road? The mid road is Nehru Road, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and Road C. Road C and Nehru Road intersect. We have to put what we have to put here? One minute, boys.
X.
It's not working right now. Okay, no problem. Nehru Road and Road C. You can see. I am zooming this thing. Are you get it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then after you can see the green Y at the intersection of Gandhi Road and Road A. So where is Gandhi Road? The above horizontal road is Gandhi Road and Road A is the first vertical road. Right? These two roads
Yes.
intersect at this point between cemetery, hospital, locality and police station. Okay, we have to draw green Y at this point. Okay. Now you can see the third question. In red, draw a short street route from library to the bus depot. Okay, draw a short street from library to bus depot. Where is library? Okay, from library we have to draw a straight road for the bus depot. So you can see first of all you have taking road A. From road A at you can reach green white intersection, and then you can take right turn and straight to the Gandhi Road, and you reach at the point bus depot. So we have to fill this route with red color. Okay, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then after the fourth question, which is further east, the city park or the market? Which is further east, the city park and or the market? Okay.
Mark.
Further east means library, right? What is your answer?
Library.
No, it's not library. It's lake. It's lake. Because of further east. East means right side, right?
Yes, sir.
So what is further east from the city park and market? So it is lake. Okay. And then which is further south, the primary school or the senior secondary school? So community center, you can see which is further south, primary school or secondary school. Okay, so your answer is community center. Okay, so in the question number one, you have to draw this map
Sir, your voice
in
is
your
cutting.
why? What is the reason? Please see here. Listen me carefully. You have to draw this map in your A4 size blank page, then fill the color as per the question given here, and then after send me. Right? Please draw this graph, this map in your A4 size blank page, and then fill your different color as per given in a question and send me. Now we can see the question number 2. It is a very good question. Please see here. In question number 2, draw a map of your classroom using proper scale and symbols for different objects. Okay, now we have to draw a map of our classroom. How can we draw our classroom? Please see here in a live board so you get clearly understood about this. How can we map? For example, it is our classroom, right? Yes or no? Yes or no? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in which you can see there are lots of things in our classroom are available. For example, whiteboard,
Benches.
benches, lecture table, cupboard,
Softboard.
speaker, dustbin, right? And lots of things are present in your classroom. So now we are try to draw this all the thing. How can we draw? Please see here. For example, you know very well in this classroom. Okay, here some benches are available. For example, the second bench, third bench, four bench, five bench, six bench, seventh bench, eighth bench, ninth bench. Right? Okay, I am drawing so more. Okay. Now you can see this all the benches are not connected, as you know very well. Okay, this all the benches are separated with four column. Right. So I am drawing four column. This first column, it is second column, okay. Okay, I am just drawing only three columns. Okay, now just I am erasing this all the thing. Okay, so first of all, just we are drawing benches, right? You know very well here our gate, entry gate are available. Here it is live board, sorry, whiteboard. Here it is lecture table. Okay, and you know very well. Okay, in this portion, we are putting one dustbin. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and one chair. So chair means we are drawing a chair with different color. It is one chair, and one also one gate available here. It's not permanent gate, but the provision for the emergency service. Okay, one gate is here given. Then you know very well here some windows are given. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So it is the mapping of our classroom. We included in this question our whiteboard, entry gate, emergency gate, this right side, top right side corner, which we are putting dustbin and chair, lecture table, all benches and windows. Okay? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are moving on to question number three. Now you can see third question. Draw a map of your school compound using proper scale and symbol for various features like playground, main building, garden, etc. So we already draw this question. If you know, I am putting the photo here so you can clearly understood about this. Okay. In this question, I am giving you the cycle parking, drinking water, admin office, entry gate, exit gate, toilets, college building, Gujarati medium building, canteen, basketball, ground, Gujarati medium assembly, this all the thing. Okay, so it is the answer of your question number 3. Are you get it?
Yes.
Huh? Okay, now first of all, throw this question number 2 and then after throw question number 3. Boys, hurry up. Okay, we have no more time. We have to complete this exercise today. So please draw fast. Okay, now I am showing you question number 2. Sorry, question number 3. Please draw a map of your school. Draw this fast. Boys,
Yes, sir.
થઈ ગયું ડ્રો બેટા?
नहीं सर, बाकी है.
જલ્દી કરો.
Done.
Okay. Now question number 4. 1 minute. Okay. Draw a map giving instruction to your friend so that she reaches your house without any difficulty. These questions you have to draw differently, right? For example, at one point your house are there, and at the other point your friend's house are there. Your friends will come to your home and you have to give instructions to your friend so that she reaches your house without any difficulty. Okay, boys? In these questions, you have to draw a map without similarity. કેમ કે બધાના ઘર અલગ અલગ છે, બધાના ઘર અલગ અલગ એરિયામાં છે, તો આ ક્વેશ્ચનને તમે લોકો જાતે ડ્રો કરજો. જસ્ટ હું તમને એક્ઝામ્પલ આપું એટલે તમને થોડું ઘણું કંઈક આઈડિયા જે આવું હોય તો એ આવે. બરાબર? ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ, it is my house at Alka Talkies. Okay, here our school, Mehdi School. I want to reach this Mehdi School without any difficulty. So just I am giving you instruction. How can you come at Mehdi School from my house? Just you have to go with straight line road, reach at Shalasha. From this you have to take right turn at Lakhani Hospital, and then after you reach at Vasan Ghat. Okay, from this point you have to take left turn. Just immediately you have to take right turn and you get Jashonath Circle. From Jashonath Circle you have to go continuously with a left turn in which you cross Motibag signal, and then after you reach at Nawapara, and from Nawapara you are taking straight road and then one slight right turn, and then after you reach at AV ground, and AV ground passing you reach at Crescent Circle. From Crescent Circle you have to take straight road and you reach at Manekwadi, right? And from Manekwadi, here our Mehdi schools are there. So it is one type of road map. Okay, please see here this road map from my house to Mehdi school. So just you have to draw this road map in which you have to indicate different circle with different color, road with different color, my house with different color, Mehdi school with different color. Okay, Motibag red signal with different colors. You have to draw this. કરી શકશો બધા કે નહીં?
Yes, sir.
ઓકે, તો આ એક ડ્રો કરી અને મને જે છે એ તમે સાઇન કરજો એટલે હું ચેક કરીશ કે ભાઈ તમે વ્યવસ્થિત ડ્રો કર્યું છે કે નહીં. બરાબર? ઓકે.
Yes.
So here our exercise 10.2 was completed. Now in next lecture we will do exercise 10.3. Okay, just you can see in exercise
Sir,
yes beta
In all exercise, we have to draw pictures.
Yes, in exercise 10.2, you have to draw this all the questions.
Sir,
क्वेश्चन नंबर वन
10.1.
टू थ्री नो बेटा 10.1 में कोई जरूरी नहीं है कोई बात नहीं
Okay, sir.
जस्ट यू हैव टू आइडेंटिफाई टॉप व्यू साइड व्यू एंड फ्रंट व्यू इन 10.1 एक्सरसाइज ओके नाउ जस्ट आई एम गिविंग यू द एग्जांपल ऑफ faces edges and vertices okay you know very well whenever you draw a cube you can see this cube one minute I am taking this cube with fill shape you cannot fill this why okay we cannot fill no problem just you can say it is one type of 3D figure in which some faces some edges and some vertices are there. First of all, how many vertices are there in this cube?
12.
So vertices mean end point. For example, this end point 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 vertices are there. Okay? Now edges. Edges means sides. So how many sides are present in this cube? So you can count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So there are 12 edges in a cube. Okay? And faces means the area. So you can see this front side, it is real side, middle, this right hand side, this is left hand side, this bottom, and it is top. So there are 6 faces. Okay, so we have relation between these faces, edges, and vertices. In next lecture just I am explaining you the Euler's formula. Which formula? Euler's formula for finding the edges, faces, and vertices of any 3D objects. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we will discuss about this in the next lecture.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay, bye all of you.
Bye.